And here we are still sitting at my Alfa on tripods, hanging like a pig before a barbecue. I don't know how many days we have been here. But today, since I got the drop links, the anti-roll ball links, or whatever you want to call them, I was thinking that maybe we should do the video now to change the old ones with the season nuts on both sides and put in new ones. And I thought that since we have painted the brake calipers so beautifully, I thought that would be a so good ending of this video, then put on the new beautiful clean summer tires and everything will look so cool. That was until I remembered that when I changed to winter tires I did not clean the summer tires and they look like shit. I will show you. And here we have one of the tires. I have leaned it against my Fiat. Look at this grimy tire. The rim, I mean. Look at it. This is so embarrassing. So I feel like I cannot put this tire on the four tires when they look like this. I really don't take care of my cars. So let's do a short video now where we clean the four summer tires and we look through if we have any problems with them. And after that video I can with good conscience go back to changing the drop link and put the new summer tires on, and then we can lower my car and I can take off the back wheels to start fixing them too. Okay, let's get some water. Now we have all the four rims against the wall, and let's start looking and see what kind of condition we have. I see here on this one we have curb rash all the way here, and dirty of course. The emblem starting to get a little bit faded also. The same thing with the next tire, we have scratch marks, almost small marks everywhere. The third tire here you see have a real big curb rash. Look at that. And small scratch marks too. And the same thing with the number 4 too. You have scrubs, 2 scrubs there too. Then when you come up here, scrubs. Actually, the tires rims just getting old. Maybe soon it's time to change them into something newer rims, because they are from 2006. It's original, and right now I don't feel like starting to repair them again after I did that yesterday. So let's just clean them up and put them on the car. I thought I was finished with this bloody toothbrush, but apparently I'm not finished. So I took the compressor and just blew away all the dust and stuff that is loose. And I want to start with this one, but of course we need to have some wheel cleaner, rim cleaner first, to start to dissolve all the fat, asphalt, dust and small penguins that get stuck here during the whole summer. So let's spray them and then we start rubbing. You see all the dirt, now it's loose. we will take water on this. But already the tire is dirty, but if you compare it to the winter tires, that dirt on winter tire got really stuck, probably from the salt. I always blame the salt, but here it loosened up much faster. So now let's get it with clean water and rinse it. Already a huge improvement if you compare it to this dirty tire. And then you go over to this. But of course we have all the asphalt spots, and that is always so boring to get rid of. And I don't want to take steel wool to this tire. I'll try to clean it one more time, and then we'll see if I can try to remove the spots without steel wool. Oh, a little bit better. Well, I can't get all the hard asphalt spots off them, so I will say that is good enough. So now I will just clean the other three, and then we are respectable again, and we can do the last video on the Alfa with the drop link, and we can put the new summer tires on and don't feel any shame. Now I know what I don't want to do for the rest of my life, and that is to work cleaning rims. Oh my god, this is so boring. And there are 4 of them. Always. Then you have 4 winter tires too. So it's 8 you have to clean. So now I know every time I change from winter to summer tires, I never clean them because it's boring. I'm like, I do it next week, I do it next month. And then the spring comes or the winter comes and your rims are so bloody dirty. But we have those 2 are clean enough. They are actually shining. So I say I'm happy with those. So let's just do these 2 or 3 times cleaning, and then we say finished. I never want to do this again. Until in 6 months when I have to do it again. Well, let's continue cleaning. I am now finally at the last tire and the last clean through. Then I give up. And I know I am cheating. I know I don't do it by the book, but damn, the tires look much better now. And I should also clean the backside, the inner part of the rim, but I say no, not today. Some other day. When I buy new rims, then I will clean the inside. Look at them! They look much more respectable now. And I think this is good enough. This is good enough. I can now go and start making the next video, the drop link video, and we can put 2 of these on the front wheel, and we can lower the car. We can go and see. And we have them, because then we can lower that and we can raise the back end and take off those wheels, fix them and put on the new summer tires, and then we are ready for summer. Very good. And then I want to do a video with this car also, with our engine problem. Well, this was all for this small video with my frustration over the dirty wheels again. I don't want to work with emperor wheels for a long time now, but the rims are
clean now, and we go over to the next video immediately. So, but we cut this video, and that will be the next video. That will be finished in a few hours. Goodbye, and see you soon again.